want to talk a little bit about sustainability because, the topic right now, AI this, AI that. Can you tell us a little bit about the sustainability and the initiatives and the technological landscape nowadays?
Sure. It's actually very exciting times now that we are in this verge that everyone is using AI, but now we are in the point that we need to understand how much energy is that one. So in the area of observability, we are working on some projects. One of them is Kepler, which is able to provide for the first time this low granular consumption that will tell you the amount of energy that your workloads are using. So this is a great initiative in which a lot of other projects are building with the whole ecosystem. So this will help everyone to understand which are their expenses in terms of power monitoring. So after you monitor that one, you will be able to maybe reduce or do better code.
And so when it comes to sustainability, a lot of customers might be afraid and not know how to go about it. So that's where observability must come in. And what do you think are some of the initiatives within Red Hat or some products that exist that help with this?
Yeah, so to measure is to know, right? So if you want to do something about it, first you need to know what you need to do. Well, if you need to do something and then take action. So that's where we start with power monitoring for Red Hat OpenShift, which is our productized version of Kepler. And we are working with this huge community. So it started with emerging technologies at Red Hat, with Intel, IBM, all this ecosystem of companies, and we are together building this project, right? So now you will be able to install it in OpenShift and be able to understand how much energy your projects are spending. So on top of that, you can continue building and building better solutions. Like, for instance, should I schedule my workloads in this way, or the nodes? Or so the future looks very exciting.
Sounds exciting, honestly. But when it comes to working on, AI and edge, because those are the buzzwords right now, what can you tell me about the technologies when it comes to sustainability with that angle, and especially open telemetry?
Yeah, that's a good one. So one of the things we are trying to do is to build an open platform. So we co-create with our customers. We are building this ecosystem in which we find the best solutions to be able to observe what's going on in the cloud, but not only in the cloud, but also at the edge. So then in the edge, we are building a solution that is based in open telemetry, because we want to keep our customers with their options open. So you will first collect the data and we can help you with it, but you can also be enriched with all this huge community around open telemetry to be able to digest that data and also use it. So that's why open telemetry is now the key factor in modern observability, but also at the edge. And for AI is the same, right? If you want to observe the amount of energy that your GPUs are using, you need some open standards. So we are working in new ways of taking that data and then process and analyze it. So it's very exciting to be part of this project.
Sounds exciting. Thank you so much for speaking to us, Jose.
Thank you.